Welcome, history enthusiasts. Today we delve into the life of a man who defied expectations, bridged cultures, and left an indelible mark on the American West. Buckle up, because we are about to unlock the mystery of Quanah Parker. Picture this: vast plains, wild buffalo, and the echoes of ancient legends. Our hero Quanah was born into this world, a world where Comanche warriors rode like the wind. But wait, there's a twist. His mother, Cynthia Ann Parker, was no ordinary Comanche. She was a white captive, abducted as a child and assimilated into the tribe. Imagine the cultural collision brewing within the young Quanah's heart. Cynthia Ann Parker, born October 28, 1827 in Crawford County, Illinois, was thrust into the tumultuous currents of history. At the tender age of 8, tragedy struck during the infamous Fort Parker massacre. Comanche, Kiowa, and Caddo Native Americans raided the fort, killing several of Cynthia Ann's relatives. She, along with her younger brother John Richard Parker, was captured by the Comanche band. But Cynthia Ann's story didn't end there. Adopted into the tribe, she became Naura, which translates to was found in Comanche. For 24 years, she lived as a Comanche, assimilated into their culture. She married Peta Nakono, a respected Comanche chief, and together they had 3 children, including their eldest son, Quanah Parker. Quanah's upbringing was a blend of 2 worlds, the vast plains and the echoes of his mother's past. He inherited leadership qualities from both sides. As the last free Comanche chief, Quanah navigated the changing landscape of the American West. His name resonates with courage, diplomacy, and survival. Picture this: the sun-baked southern plains, where buffalo once roamed freely, but beneath the vast expanse tensions simmered, a collision of cultures, dreams, and survival instincts. Enter the Red River War, a saga that would echo across time. The Quahati weren't just any band. They were bitter enemies, their hearts aflame with vengeance. Why? The hunters, known as the settlers, had snatched their best land, leaving scars on the prairie. And the buffalo? Their thundering herds now mere echoes, decimated by greed. But Quanah, he was no ordinary warrior. His adaptability became his armor. He moved seamlessly between bands, learning their ways, their secrets. The Quahati welcomed him. Their firebrand spirit resonated with his own. The year is 1871. European Americans are hunting bison into near extinction, threatening the Comanche's way of life. Quanah Parker emerges as a war leader during the Red River War, and his nemesis, Colonel Ronald S. Mackenzie. Picture this: the late 1800s, the Texas frontier. The Comanches, fierce and free, clash with settlers hungry for land. Among the cavalrymen stands a relentless Union Army officer, a man who carved his name into the windswept plains of the American West. His name? Colonel Ronald S. Mackenzie, a force of nature, a seeker of justice, and a nemesis to the Comanche. And his mission? To cripple the Comanche's capacity to wage war. The Red River War unfolds, a desperate dance of survival. But what was Mackenzie's brutal tactic? Destroy Comanche homes, starve them out by needlessly killing bison, but one band remains elusive: the Quahati, led by Quanah Parker. Now the bison are dwindling, and Quanah faces a pivotal choice: surrender or perish. He chooses survival. With dignity intact, he leads the Quahati to Fort Sill, Oklahoma. But here's the twist: Quanah was never elected chief by his people. The federal government bestowed that title upon him. Imagine the weight of responsibility. The last chief of the Comanche, appointed rather than chosen. Quanah's story doesn't end with war. In civilian life, he becomes a rancher, accumulating wealth near Cache, Oklahoma. But he's not just about cattle and land. Quanah encourages Christianization among the Comanche, yet he also champions the syncretic Native American church. Peyote ceremonies, anyone? He's a man of contradictions, a bridge between old ways and new beliefs. Quanah Parker, the last chief of the Comanche, passed away suddenly at his home on the Comanche Reservation located 4 miles west of Cache, Oklahoma on February 23, 1911. His legacy echoes through cities and highways in southwest Oklahoma and north Texas. But what lingers most? Perhaps it's the scent of history, the odor of resilience, adaptation, and survival. Quanah rests at Chief's Knoll on Fort Sill, a guardian of stories untold. And so, my dear viewers and listeners, why Quanah Parker? Because his life embodies the human spirit, its complexities, its struggles, and its quest for identity. If you would like to learn more about Quanah Parker and the Comanches, I highly recommend Empire of the Summer Moon by S.C. Gwynn. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to join us next time as we unravel more mysteries from the annals of time. Until then, keep asking questions, keep seeking answers, and remember, history isn't just about dates. It's about the beating hearts behind them. So long.